In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scrape YouTube video descriptions with Browse AI, an incredibly powerful tool that lets you automate web scraping without any coding skills required. Stick around to the end because I'll also give you an exclusive extended free trial to Browse AI that you can't get anywhere else. Browse AI is designed to help you extract data from websites, and scraping YouTube descriptions is one of its best features. Whether you're looking to gather information for SEO purposes, research, or competitor analysis, this tool simplifies the process drastically. Now let's dive straight into it. First things first, what you need to do is sign up for Browse AI if you haven't already. And by the way, you can grab an exclusive free trial with some cool bonuses using the link below in the description. Once you're signed up, you'll be on your way to scraping YouTube video descriptions in just a few clicks. To begin, you'll need to set up a robot within Browse AI. This robot will essentially mimic human browsing, allowing you to target specific elements on a web page. In this case, we'll be targeting YouTube's video descriptions. It's a simple process to create your first robot. Just follow the prompts, and Browse AI will guide you through the setup. When you go to YouTube, you'll need to copy the URL of the video or playlist you want to scrape. Then go back to Browse AI, input that URL, and the software will automatically begin analyzing the page for relevant data. For scraping YouTube descriptions, you'll want to select the text area where the video description resides. Browse AI uses machine learning to detect and collect this data accurately. After setting up the scrape, Browse AI will start collecting the descriptions for you. And the best part, you don't need to be tech savvy to use it. Browse AI handles all the heavy lifting in the background, ensuring you get the data in a clean and organized format. One key feature that sets Browse AI apart from other scraping tools is its ability to handle dynamic content. YouTube, for example, loads content dynamically, so this means that traditional scrapers might struggle to get the data you're looking for. With Browse AI, you don't have to worry about that. It's built to handle these dynamic elements and give you the results you need with just a few clicks. Another great feature is the ability to scale. If you're looking to scrape multiple YouTube videos at once, Browse AI can handle bulk scraping without breaking a sweat. This makes it a great option for marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to gather large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. After you've set up your scrape and let Browse AI do its magic, you can download the descriptions in formats like CSV or Excel, making it easy to work with the data later. If you need to schedule scraping tasks, Browse AI has an automation feature that allows you to schedule tasks to run daily, weekly, or on any frequency that fits your needs. So if you're looking for a powerful, no-code solution to scrape YouTube video descriptions, Browse AI is definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can get started with a free trial through the link below, with some exclusive bonuses that make this even more valuable. That's it for today's tutorial. Now that you know how to scrape YouTube video descriptions using Browse AI, I hope you're excited to start automating your own data collection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link for your exclusive free trial and extended bonuses, and start scraping data like a pro.